We always talk about action cameras from GoPro and DJI. Yes, we know they produce the best action cameras on the market, but have you ever thought of other brands that are trying so hard to keep up with them? Yes, there are some action cameras that are decent enough to get your job done. This is why today we came up with the top 5 underrated action cameras for you. So, let's jump in. Have you ever heard about the action camera named Drift Ghost XL Pro? We guess the answer is no, cause it's one of the underrated action cameras that nobody talks about. Anyway, this action camera can capture 4K footage at 30 FPS. Not only that, it can take crystal clear photos with 12 megapixel camera, so no compromising on detail and color. Besides, the 360-degree rotatable lens design allows you to mount it to any surface at any angle. Furthermore, the Ghost XL Pro supports a 4K video lapse that allows you to capture fast motion videos of your trip. While using the video lapse, it will automatically stitch together a time lapse without any kind of editing. Also, this action camera comes with built-in image stabilization to ensure the smooth video on bumpy roads. Moreover, the Ghost XL Pro can be used as a dash cam. In terms of battery life, it will give you up to 7 hours of recording time in 1080p recording mode and up to 4.5 hours in 4K mode. Another underrated action camera we have on our list is the GA420, which is from Wolfang. It has a built-in CMOS sensor that gives you the ability to record 4K videos at 60 FPS. So, you can make memories of your adventure with details. Plus, the GA420 uses a 20 megapixel camera to capture colorful images. This underrated action camera is even equipped with a 6-axis EIS anti-shake function, which greatly improves the stability and smoothness of the video. Also, a dual-screen design like GoPro can help you to take perfect selfies. To capture your audio clearly even in a noisy environment, it's equipped with an external noise-cancelling microphone. The GA420 is made of aluminum alloy and ABS material, which makes it durable as well as waterproof for up to 10 meters. Moreover, a 1350 mAh battery will give you enough time to capture your precious moments. There are just so many action cameras that you can use as an alternative to the GoPro action cameras, and the SJCam SJ4K is one of them. It has the ability to shoot 4K videos at 30 FPS and can snap high-definition photos with 12 megapixel camera. Also, the SJ4K comes with a 2-inch LED display to show you exactly what you're shooting. It even supports loop recording, slow motion, driving mode, time-lapse, and many more. Besides, the 170-degree wide-angle mode and 5x zoom allow you to capture more scenarios. The SJ4K has built-in EIS, which makes your videos smooth like butter. Moreover, a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi provides a seamless connection for up to 33 feet. You can also control this action camera via your smartphone. All you have to do is install the SGCam Zone app. With a durable waterproof case, you can take it 30 meters underwater. The SJ4K includes two 900 mAh batteries that ensure up to 3 hours of shooting time. Akaso is one of the consistent action camera makers that are trying to give their best quality products, and the Brave 8 is the latest action camera from them, which is slightly better compared to the previous model. It features a half-inch CMOS sensor and quad-pixel technology to deliver 4K videos at 60 FPS. This action camera also can take photos with its 48 megapixel camera, letting you capture everything with vivid details. The Brave 8 is equipped with Super Smooth technology, which reduces the shakiness of your video and delivers a smooth and stable experience. This action camera is also able to shoot 8K time-lapse and 16x slow-mo to retain every stunning moment. With an IPX8 waterproof rating, the Brave 8 is protected from rain, snow, and water splashes. Also, you can take it underwater for up to 33 feet. You don't have to worry about its runtime since the Brave Akaso 8 has a battery life of up to 90 minutes thanks to its 1550 mAh capacity. Insta360 ONE RS may not be the latest action camera right now, but you can use it instead of GoPro or DJI action camera to get the best quality possible. Due to having a modular design, you can swap between lenses to get both normal and 360-degree videos. It's even equipped with a half-inch image sensor that helps you to capture stunning 4K videos at 60 FPS. Not only that, you can shoot ultra-detailed 6K footage with a widescreen ratio. Also, you can snap photos with 48 megapixels, which ensures perfect moments with better color lighting. Besides, Active HDR keeps the highlights and shadows stable even if you move. Moreover, you can get buttery smooth shots with flow state stabilization. Plus, Horizon Lock ensures you always get perfectly level shots no matter how much you tilt your camera. The One RS is tough and waterproof to 16 feet. You can shoot for up to 75 minutes at 4K 60 FPS, all thanks to its 1445 mAh battery. So, that was all about the top 5 underrated action camera just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section down below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.